In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase Dropbox, providing a comprehensive guide for 2025. Whether you're using Dropbox for personal needs, sharing with family, or managing a business, selecting the right plan is crucial. Let's walk through the process together, beginning with accessing the Dropbox plans page. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Dropbox plans page. Here you'll see a variety of options designed for individuals, families, and businesses. It's essential to browse through these plans to understand their features. Take your time to compare aspects like storage space, offline access capabilities, smart sync, advanced sharing options, and specific admin tools which are pertinent for business use. Once you familiarize yourself with the options, it's time to choose the right plan. If you're an individual user, consider whether the Dropbox Plus plan meets your needs with its 2 TB of storage suitable for standard personal use. For more advanced features like watermarking, or if you're a freelancer, Dropbox Professional with 3 TB of storage might be more appropriate. For families, the Dropbox Family Plan provides 2 TB of shared storage space that can be utilized by up to 6 members. This makes it a practical choice for ensuring everyone's files and photos are safely backed up and easily accessible. If you're evaluating Dropbox for a business or team, you have several plans to consider. Dropbox Standard provides 5 TB of shared storage and facilitates smooth team management. For enterprises requiring more robust storage and security features, Dropbox Advanced offers as much storage as needed, along with advanced admin capabilities. Finally, Dropbox Enterprise is ideal for large organizations needing custom solutions. With the plan in mind, decide on your billing cycle, choosing what best suits your needs. Opt for monthly billing if you prefer flexibility, or select annual billing to take advantage of a discounted rate. Next, you'll need to sign in to your existing Dropbox account. If you don't have one, you can easily create an account using your email or by connecting via Google or Apple ID. Now, on to payment. Dropbox accepts several payment methods, including major credit and debit cards such as Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover. PayPal is also an option in supported regions, and business invoices are available for enterprise plans. Enter your payment details carefully to proceed. Before finalizing your purchase, review your chosen plan, billing cycle, and the total price. Once satisfied, click on the subscribe or purchase button. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly, and your upgraded features will become available immediately. Finally, managing your subscription is made simple. Navigate to Dropbox, then Settings, then Billing to make changes. Here, you can upgrade or downgrade your plan, switch your billing cycle from monthly to yearly, update your payment details, or cancel your subscription if necessary. And there you have it, a complete guide to purchasing Dropbox in 2025. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.